Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will click on here apps. Then you can search about Messenger. You will click on Messenger app. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.